and as you can tell from the title of this video, today we are going to be playing with the OSMO Math Wizard and the Enchanted World Games kit. By playing this game, kids will be able to learn advanced addition and subtraction, understand multiplication, and practice skills through hands-on play on a math adventure. Race to create power smoothies and unlock new levels over 2 games. In Juice Team, boost your math skills by giving your team the fuel they need to take home the gold. In Bento, make lunches for athletes using strategies and math to earn points and move your characters along the path. By incorporating physical game pieces, OSMO makes sure that your child will learn even more efficiently. As a bonus, you will get access to free games that teach addition, comparisons, analytical skills, and much more. It just can't get any better than this. Now enough of the talking. Let's go ahead and start playing with OSMO. Hey everyone, and welcome back to NPStation. So today we are going to be unboxing this new OSMO game that I just received. It is called Math Wizard and the Enchanted World Games. So you can see here that this game will teach the kids 6 to 8 years old about the foundations of multiplication. So let's go ahead and flip this box over. Let's see what's on the back here. So here it gives you a little bit of a summary of this game. It says a multiplication challenge. Race to create power smoothies, boost your math skills while giving your team the magic fuel they need to take home the gold. So you can see here that these are some of the pieces that will be included in this box, and we will use those to interact with the characters on our screen. Now on the side of the box here, it shows what is included in this package. So we'll have 1 lunchbox mat, 22 fruit and veggie pieces, 1 juice mat, 12 fruit strips, 1 magical token, and this game works with the Math Wizard app. What is not included is the iPad or the Fire tablet itself and the OSMO base. So now let's go ahead and unbox this game. Alright, so as you can see here, this is how it looks like on the inside. It looks like this little cute lunchbox, which is super cool. You can write your name on this tag right here. Now let's open this up and see what's inside. So here, on the left side, you can see that it'll give you the instructions on how to set up your game. So it says what you will need, which is the iPad base, the iPad itself, internet access, and an email account. So here are the instructions on what you need to do before actually playing. So if you have an iPad, you will follow these instructions. You're going to go to this website, you will download the Math Wizard game, and you're just going to start playing. And here are the instructions for the Fire tablet. And again, it is stating what is inside this box. Alright, so now let's open this up. Here we have this little postcard from Mumbles. It says, "Dear friend, welcome to Stadium Enchantium, where a love of lunch unites us all. Your skills are just what your mathletes need to win. Cool counting carrots. My race is starting. Let's go for the gold." Alright, here we have our lunchbox mat. So inside, if you see, we flip this over, it says what the contents are for this box. We have all these different fruits and vegetables. Now let's put that aside here. And this is our juice mat. And inside we have all of these pieces. And you can see this is a little fruit blender. And that is all. Now let's go ahead and switch over to our iPad. So you can see here that I've opened all the games for OSMO on my iPad. And for today's video, we're going to be using this Math Wizard app. So let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, so you can see it has opened this Math Wizard app, and it opens to our Sky Castle. You can see that I have already unlocked many games in this because me and my sister love playing all the OSMO games together. It's super fun, and today you can see that we are going to be using these 2 games on the left-hand side of our screen. So let's go ahead and start with the first bottom one here. if we click on this, it will say this game is called Bento Box. So we are going to be needing the lunch mat pieces for this game. Let's go ahead and click play. Okay, so it's opened our Bento Box app. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the first level here. So here it is opened with our little character. Let's click play.
Looks like you can use both of these fruits to reach the target.
Okay, so let me just go ahead and explain how to play this game first of all. So you can see here that there is a blue flag that says the number 5. So using these two fruits that are displayed at the bottom of our screen, which is the apple and the pear, we're going to use those fruits to reach 5 of those. So let's go ahead and start playing. Okay, so as you can see, I have my lunch mat ready. Let's set that up in front of our screen here. And now let's go ahead and use our apple and the pear pieces to create 5. So go ahead and put them on the screen here. Alright, we reached 5 fruits. Let's click next, go to the next level.
Let's start fresh. Clear out your lunchbox.
Alright, let's clear it up.
Pro tip. Pay attention to the number next to the fruit.
Alright,
Placing this fruit in the box will give you 2 star power.
okay, so we're only supposed to be using 2 corn pieces. Let's go ahead and put those on our lunch mat. And there we go. Let's click next.
Woohoo! The Enchanted Store is now open!
Alright, so as you can see with those 2 levels of the game, kids are able to learn how to add numbers to reach that certain amount of vegetables and fruits that they need to display on their screen. So it's a super fun way of them to learn how to add and subtract numbers. Now let's go ahead and do one last level.
Let's start fresh. Click.
Alright, so now we're going to reach the 6 fruits and vegetables. So each corn is 2 pieces, each watermelon is 2 as well. So let's go ahead, put watermelon piece on our lunch mat. We'll have corn, and we'll go ahead and add another corn right at the top. There you go. Level complete.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, now the race has begun. Let's jump to catch that. Jump again. Looks like we're in the lead. Oh, I missed one. And it looks like we still won the game. Alright, we got the archery is unlocked now. And now let's go back to our sky castle and start playing the next game. Alright, so using our cherries, we're going to have to create 12 fruits. So let's go ahead and use that cherry piece. So that adds up to 2, 4, 6 cherries, and we still need 6 more. So we can use a different fruit. You can see there's a blueberry piece which also has 6. Let's place that on our mat. And there we go. It adds the fruits to our smoothie blender. And there we go. So one smoothie done. Let's move on to the next one. Now, make sure to clear your mat. And you can see that we need that one lime piece right here. So now let's go ahead and add in some other fruits. Oh, it looks like you can't use this. So you can see here it tells you on the screen, it tells you which pieces you can't use. So you're not supposed to use that cherry piece with the 3 pairs of cherries. Let's go ahead and see what happens if we add this piece to our mat. And now we need 3 more. Let's go ahead and put our 3 limes here. There we go, we created our smoothie for the next character. The smoothie is called Triple Lime Bomb Cherry Blitz. Very long name. So this is a really fun game for younger kids to play. They can learn how to multiply these different numbers together to reach that end result. So in this case, it is 12. So it's a super fun way to learn how to learn math. And I definitely recommend you all to buy these OSMO games. Your children have a lot of fun playing them. So that's all for today's video. I'm going to leave you guys to buy this amazing OSMO kit and play these games for yourself.